Hello coders, welcome back to our series on front-end web development for beginners. And guys, in today's video we are going to learn about image. Image adds beauty to our web page, and in general we understand more about something when an image or illustration is shown to us as compared to when someone explains the same topic without any reference. When you search for a new topic on YouTube or a new video on YouTube, you click on the video which thumbnail seems more convincing. And currently, as you are watching this video, your focus is on the visuals more than what I am saying, and this way your brain feels more comfortable learning something. So that's why you must have the good understanding of using image on web pages. As a front-end web developer, using image is like telling a story through visuals on websites. So now let's learn how you can use image on a web page or in HTML. And guys, for this tutorial I am going to use index.html, which we created in the earlier videos, and we are going to delete previous code from this page, and we are going to leave one h1 tag so that we can change the heading of this page. And my website is running live in the browser, so it is automatically refreshed. And now let's learn about the image tag in HTML. And to use image in HTML, we have to use ing tag. And as you can see, in ing tag there is two attributes, src and alt. And guys, src stands for source and alt stands for alternative text. So in source we have to give the link of image, and in the alt we have to give alternative text for the image, so that when the image is not available, we can give some information about the image to the users or the readers. So let's first write alt text. And guys, if you save it, it is going to work, but as we haven't given the link of the image in the src or the source attribute, image is not going to display on our page, and the alt text is shown here. And guys, to use the image we need the image, so we are going to download an image from the internet. And guys, here is the list of supported image in the HTML. So if you are going to use image in your HTML project, make sure that you are using image from this list. And to download the image, I am going to use Pixabay. Guys, Pixabay is a website with millions of free images, and you can download any image and use anywhere without any license or copyright. To download this image, we have to click on this free download, and I'm going to choose the lowest resolution for now. Now let's copy that image and create a new folder inside our project. Name the folder as image, and inside this image we are going to paste our image. As you can see, the image is now available in our project. We are going to rename this image as dyna.png. Now let's go back to our index.html, and in the src tag we are going to give the name of the image with the relative path where the image is located. So our image is located in the image folder of our project, so we can write like images, and VS Code is showing us the image is available, so we are going to press enter. And now let's save it. So guys, as you can see, the image is immediately displayed in our page, and this shows that the image tag is working and our image is now available in our page. So guys, we are displaying this image from the image folder inside our project. And what if you want to use image from the internet or from any other website? So the procedure is same. You just need the link of that image, and you can paste the link inside this SR attribute. But as you can see here, the image is inside the images folder. But what if you put the image outside of this folder? Then you can see the error is coming. So to make this work, we have to delete the images from the path inside the src attribute and save it, and now it is going to work again. So let's put it inside the folder again so that we can work more efficiently in our next videos. And guys, now as our image is displayed, we can add some stylings to this image, and to give the style we can use style attribute. And guys, you can use css2 to style this image from the css file or from the style tag in html, but for now we are going to use style attribute in the same image tag. And inside the style attribute we are going to give the height, and we can give the height in pixel or percent, and for now we are going to give the height in pixel. And we are also going to give the width, and now let's save it. And guys, you can see now our image is displaying smaller than before. So that's how you can add styles to the image in HTML, and you can add multiple styles as you want. For now let's leave it as it is, and we are going to learn about styles in detail in our CSS videos. So guys, that's it for this video, and we are going to learn about mapping on image in our next video. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video, and you can subscribe this channel to get more of these videos in future. Till then, stay healthy, keep coding.